In 2025, Android still faces a common limitation that frustrates many users. The operating system doesn't natively display the exact date when a contact was added to your phone. However, there are four effective workaround methods that can help you discover when your contacts were added. Let's explore each approach. The first method uses the Google Contacts web interface. By visiting contacts.google.com, you can access features not available in the mobile app, including recently added contacts and edit history. The second method involves using specialized third-party contact management applications. Apps like Contact Analyzer Pro, Contacts Backup and Restore, and True Contact Manager offer advanced features for tracking contact history and timestamps. For technically advanced users, the third method involves direct database analysis. This requires root access to examine the Android SQLite database where contact information is stored, but it provides the most detailed timestamp data. The fourth method uses Google Takeout to download your complete contact archive. This service provides JSON and VCF files containing metadata timestamps that reveal when contacts were originally added to your account. Each method offers different advantages. The Google Contacts web interface is the easiest for most users, while database analysis provides the most detailed information for advanced users. Google Takeout offers the most comprehensive historical data for your contacts. The first method to check when contacts were added is through the Google Contacts web interface. This is the most accessible approach for most Android users. Here are the step-by-step instructions. First, open your web browser and navigate to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account that syncs with your Android device. Next, select the specific contact you want to check, then look for recently added indicators or edit history information. Some contacts may show approximate addition timeframes in their details. The second method involves using Google Takeout, which provides a more comprehensive data export that includes metadata and timestamps. Start by visiting takeout.google.com and selecting the Contacts Data option. Download your contact archive, which will contain detailed information in JSON or VCF file formats. The downloaded files contain metadata with timestamp information. JSON files provide structured data, while VCF files contain contact information in a standardized format that includes creation and modification dates. It's important to understand the privacy implications. Android 15 and later versions have enhanced privacy controls that require explicit permission for apps to access contact history data. Looking ahead to 2026, several exciting developments are expected in Android contact management. These include native timestamp display, blockchain verification systems, and advanced analytics capabilities. Android 16 may include native timestamp display, eliminating the need for workarounds. Blockchain contact verification will provide immutable contact history tracking, while advanced analytics will offer detailed interaction patterns. Current statistics reveal that 78% of Android users are unaware they can check contact addition dates. This highlights the need for more user-friendly solutions in future Android versions. These methods provide current solutions for checking contact creation dates, while future developments promise to make this information more accessible to all Android users.